Today I'll show you how to skyrocket your Fiverr gig impressions. That means going from impressions, from clicks, and hopefully get your more sales. So without further ado, let's get into it. Great, so this video will be focused on somebody who's like brand new into the platform, somebody who hasn't made a single sale or does not know how to actually structure their gig from Fiverr. So let's look first at the impressions from this gig in here. This is like my most successful gig at this time. This is a video editor gig, and it has around 4.8K impressions with 32 clicks, and it's got 3 orders so far. So it's like a very good gig for me. So the traffic has been very well. It peaked right up in here on the 19th. It got down in here, but it's now going back on its feet. So I'm very confident about this one. So let's look at the title. I think that's the one thing that you gotta be focused first. If you were to say step one, look at the headline title. How do we fix this? Basically, go to the competitors within your category. So in here, you got to go here to video editing and grab a few competitors and find like commonalities, like recurring keywords, phrases, but focus on the generic side. Don't use any names or like branded like Nike or like Gary Vee or like Alex Hormozis. We'll get to this in a few seconds. So let's go and see what I'm talking about. So if you have Seller Plus, this will be much better for you to find it. So I'm gonna be giving a much more condensed, like a quicker way to find it. So in here, I would find like common words from my competitors in here. So for example, I'll use shorts in here because that's from YouTube, as well as viral in here because there's like a repeated keyword in here and here. YouTube as well, video as well. I will skip cash cow. TikTok, I will definitely include it. As I said before, no like famous like influencer keywords in here. Keep it as generic as possible. So the way that it looks like it at the end is this way. I managed to condense all of those words within 54 to 60 characters. So like keep that in mind. Let's go to the structure. In here, when you make a description, be concise and try to keep it from the seller's perspective. What's in it for them? Don't just like ramble, but make your description with the keywords that you found within other competitors and convert it into something that's actually much more enhanced so that the client know what did they get, what's the actual value. Don't just think about it from your perspective, like I'm good at this, I'm good at this. Just like try to think about what are they looking for and try to phrase it in that part. So how would it look as a practice? Make a question, perhaps make an incentive for like on the first line, 50% off on your first order, because that'll be like, okay, this is actually a good deal. In this way, this is like the main like pitch. So I'll make your videos like Alex Hormozu, Gary Vee, or Keto King. So that's where you actually can implement those influencer keywords. So why me? Again, what's in it for you? This is like my main reason. Keep it concise, as I said before. Make a portfolio. That's good for them to see. They can copy and paste it. And bullet points. Try to keep it as short as possible. 3 to 5 bullet points. Like what did they get? What's their like the final like product? Like how can they envision? Like what can they be expecting here in styles, and just like make it easy for them. Like one single thing they would need for them to make the gig going as soon as possible. And what do you guarantee? What's like the best thing you can probably deliver? What stands out from the competition that you can actually deliver? Then finally, I would definitely say try to look at your standing in here. So in here, you go to the buyer's like profile or like a window. And this case is gonna be viral TikTok. Try to, for example, find words in the headline they can actually implement and see how does it look right now. It's not directly involved with the success like the search results, but it definitely gives you an idea of how do you stand among that keyword. So I know for a fact that this is a keyword that I'm very present. So if I scroll all the way down here, yeah, here I am. So in here, I can see that even though I get a lot of like frequent visitors and a lot of like clicks and like questions and like sales, I'm still a little bit below my expectations when it comes to the services results. So try to go day by day, input the same keyword, and see if you're moving up in the search results. If you're doing so, if it's like giving you an up rank, then good, you're doing something well. If not, try to always find ways to go to the competition and try to make like small tweaks every 5 to 7 days. And this will give you a better rank of impressions. So this will result differently in what you're looking at here. So it's definitely a very good practice. Focus on getting brand awareness via impressions and then getting more clicks. It'll be like a step up. So yeah, thank you for your time, and any questions, let me know. Bye.